This is the same client after a bleach touch-up and a keratin smoothing treatment. And this is the final style after I've toned and flat ironed her. In preparation for the toner, I applied our nourishing lipid serum liberally throughout her hair, and then I applied the toner right on top of that. I applied the toner to dry hair. I began at the scalp and I dragged it about 2 inches out. I left the very ends for last. Why? Because the ends are more porous and they grab the pure tone of the toner. I applied bond builders and collagen to the toner formula. And look how beautiful, healthy, shiny her hair is. I dried her under an ionic hood dryer and I combed her out, and this is the result. I think we should probably go ahead and give her a haircut where she can just wear it smooth and straight. What do you think? It's the keratin treatment that has her hair so straight and so smooth. With the keratin treatment, you don't have to use high heat, so we can have platinum hair. When you go in with high heat for natural hair, it can't be platinum because a high heat will burn the toner off and expose the yellow underneath. If you want to learn more, come to our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com.